Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. This is Who What Why 404 and today I'm coming to you with an unboxing of an item I picked up from Fashion File, and also I'll be revealing a purchase I did from Coach this past weekend as well. So if that's something you want to see, please stick around. So to my subscribers, welcome back, and to any new viewers, welcome. I would love to have you back. So this is an item I picked up from Fashion File, and it's something from Cartier that I have been wanting for a while. And I did have my Cartier experience. I went to the Cartier store here in Atlanta and tried it on. I tried it on also at the Cartier store in New York on, I think that's 5th Avenue. And to give you a little background, I tried it on in a store here and it said one size fits. This is the Fashion File box. So they said one size fit, and then I tried it on in the New York store and they said it was another size. So I kind of took a gamble and went with the larger size. So this is the Fashion File box. It comes with the little tissue, a file. I guess this is my receipt, a thank you card, and this is something else I picked up, came too, so I will reveal this a little bit later. I think that's what this is. Yeah, I'll reveal this a little bit later on another video. But this is a secondary item. They put it all in one box. So, yeah. So this is there's nothing else in here but stuffing. So this is the item. Use is the new. And I'll go ahead and show you. Now you can see it's from the Love collection. I picked this item up mainly because they had it in excellent condition and it came with everything. This is the envelope, and this is the certificate of authenticity. And so this is the box from Cartier. And Fashion File stuff in there as well. It says once this tag has been removed, it's yours. And this is the pouch, I guess, for it. So I guess you can probably tell now that this is the Cartier Love Band. And this is the thicker band in the yellow gold. And let's see how it fits. Perfect. This is the ring. This is a finger I wanted the ring to go on. So when I tried this on in the Atlanta store, they said that I was a size 63. And then when I tried it on in the New York store, they said I was a size 66. So I went ahead, Fashion File just so happened to have it in a size 66. So that's what I went with, and it fits perfectly. I didn't want it too tight. So yeah, it looks, let me take a look at it. I don't see any scratches. Like I said, they had it listed in excellent condition. So yeah, this is my Cartier Love Band. This is the thicker band. And the retail price of this item in Cartier is $1,650. And with Fashion File, I believe I paid $1,100. Let me look at the receipts. Yeah, I paid $1,165. So I think I got a great deal on this. And let me show you the breakdown of my savings. Let me put this on pause so I can give you a visual on that. So if you break down the savings, that equates to about 35%. That's including tax off of retail. And that's for this. It's in excellent condition and came with the box and all the paperwork. So yeah, another reason why I got this is because I don't, like I said, I don't have anything yellow gold in my collection. And you can see I plan on wearing it on this finger, but I can also I think my finger's a little swollen now, but I can also wear it on this finger if I want to. But I plan on wearing it on this finger. And also I love that the Love collection is from the 1970s. I think it was started in 1970. I'm a 70s baby, so I can relate to that 1970 thing. So yeah, this is up close view. And like I said, it's in excellent condition. That's how it was sold to me from Fashion File. It came with the case and all the paperwork. So yeah, this is my Cartier love ring, and I love it. And like I said, I do plan on eventually getting another ring to stack on it, probably the white gold to stack and go there. So yeah, that's my new Cartier love ring. Yeah, so let me go ahead and show you what I picked up from Coach. So this next item I picked up from Coach Outlet last weekend, and it wasn't on any kind of sale or anything, but I picked it up. I thought it was cute, and that is the Coach key holder, and this is how it looks. I got this in the Coach monogram, and yeah, so it's the monogram canvas on the outside, and it is black smooth leather on the inside. It also has a key. Is this a key ring? Yeah, so it has a separate key ring here with a snap closure. I guess it snaps, yeah, but it has Coach written on it. I don't know if you can see. It has Coach written on the snap closure, and it has Coach here at the bottom. Let me see if this snaps open. I don't know. Uh-oh. All right, it went flying. Oh wait, hold on, let me go get it. So this is the piece that went flying off. This is the key ring, and you can see that it's monogrammed with Coach. It has Coach here and Coach here. And yeah, so this is the piece that fits down here and snaps off. So I guess it's a good thing if you want to put like a key here and give it to the valet, and then still have your other keys here. So yes, this is a 5-ring key holder up here, so you have 5 keys that you can put here, and the 1 extra key down here at the bottom. Also, you have a slip pocket here on the side, and you have another slip pocket here, and this has the care booklet and the tag information here. So this is the tag info here. So yeah, I think this will be good if you want to use this as a piece where you can just up and go and take it with you. You can put probably your driver's license here or here, a credit card, and maybe some cash in these 2 pockets, and fold it up and take it with you. Or if you want to just hand carry it, you can probably use this extra key ring right here and maybe tie it around a belt loop or something, because it does hang. It's kind of hard to unsnap this thing, as you can tell when I snapped it before and this key ring went flying around in the room. Yeah, this thing is hard to unsnap. So yeah, you can put this here and maybe loop it around your belt loop or something and let it hang this way. But I think I'm gonna maybe take it off because I don't want it to leave imprints here. Either take it off or just let it hang on the outside so it won't leave imprints on the leather. And you also have room behind, so there's a lot of room in this thing. You can put some things behind your keys, and you have these two slip pockets on either side. So let me show you what it looks like with my keys in it. So this is what it looks like with my keys tucked inside. Those are my two keys and my key fob. And this is on the farthest button, which is this one. If I want to make it a little looser, I can put it on this first button. But I think if you want a little more security, this is how it looks. It actually looks better once this button is covered up. But this is how it looks on the shortest setting of the buttons. And it's the same. The keys, you know, jiggle, I guess, about the same. And this is what they look like inside. So again, it has a slip pocket on this side, slip pocket on this side, and this is smooth leather. And again, you have 5 rings up top, and then you have this snap on the bottom. And let me show you what it looks like with just my key fob hanging out. This is what it looks like. But what I may do, because if you can see how on this there is this little part of the key ring that's sticking out, or if you can see it, this right here. I can see if I use my key fob sticking out like this, I can see this probably rubbing against the canvas. You see how it's there from all the wear and tear. So what I'm going to do is take my key fob off and put it on this part down here. And that will probably prevent it from rubbing up against the canvas, and it will make it much easier if I do go to a valet or something and want to just take that part off and give it to valet, so I won't have to give them all my keys. And this thing is sort of difficult. I have a thick key fob, and messing up my nails trying to get this thing on here. Okay, so here it goes, looping around here, and there you go. So this is how it looks with the 5 up here, my key fob down here, and we'll close it up. And there we go. So that's with my key fob. I don't have to worry about any sharp edges rubbing up against the canvas. I can take this off and give it to valet. And this is how it looks tucked inside. Shift those down, put this inside, and close it up. So it's a little more difficult, I guess, by the way my key fob is shaped. So I think I'll probably just leave this out because it looks better, instead of when I'm driving, just leave it out and just keep it out. That way I can just grab my keys by the key fob and pick it up. Because of the shape and where it's located on here with the rest of the keys, it kind of fits a little funny. It doesn't close. Yeah, it doesn't close all the way because this is sticking up and it won't lay flat. So yeah, only way it'll lay flat again and look nice is if you put it up here. But I don't want this part to rub up against the canvas and tear it or anything, damage it in any way. So yeah, this is how I will be using my keys, just like this. Now I don't have the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder to compare, but I'll come back to you with some measurements. So the measurements of the Coach monogram canvas 6-ring key holder, and that's what I'm going to call it. It's 4 inches long and 2.6 inches high. On the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, it also measures 4 inches long, but 2.8 inches high. And if you compare them, it's practically the same size. This was $39 again at the Coach outlet. The Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder is $250. So please go ahead and save you guys some money. I can tell that this is a high quality piece. I don't see any, stitching, any glazing issues. And again, look at the detail. There is a Coach monogram button here. It's Coach monogrammed on this key ring. It's also leather lined. This is a smooth leather lining. Has Coach embossed down here at the bottom. And it also has Coach embossed on this button down here as well. So again, I got this at the Coach outlet. It was up near the counter on the section where they sell like little wallets and stuff like that. It was sitting up there. So yeah, this is a piece I'm sure I'm going to enjoy, especially for the price. And yeah, and it looks like it can hold a lot and be a very good piece for me. So yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you those 2 items I got. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next time, see you guys later.